Hey, it's Dr. Tucker, friendly neighborhood colorectal surgeon. It's all things tomato. And one of my big beefs in the modern world is, why is it that humanity is becoming so chronically ill? What is it? We're not genetically any different than we would have been, let's say, 30 years ago. But some of the things, better living through chemistry, that we are engaging in are very likely dorking us up. Among the things that I think are injuring us are going to be non-nutritive additives that we put in our food, including herbicides, pesticides, and fungicides that we might spray onto the crops so that they are more productive. Now, the easy offset to that would be organic food, in which they're not supposed to use artificial herbicides and pesticides and fungicides or insecticides on those organic foods. So is it more expensive? Yes. Is it free of chemicals? As much as probably you can in the modern world. And in addition, because some of the things that you're adding to these plants to help them grow have a lot of micronutrients, and organic food actually contains more nutrients. And if you eat organic, non-GMO food, you tend to not eat as much. Why? Because you're satiating your body of the things that it naturally requires. And so if you're not growing your own tomatoes like we described yesterday, make sure you are getting the organic non-GMO variety. You are going to pay more for it, but it's going to have less damage overall to your body. Are there natural things in your own garden you can do? Yes, use organic fertilizers. Some of these things might include animal manure. Be careful of that. That is one of the ways that you can get sick from bacteria. Like, I'm always telling people they don't have pesticides, but then if you're putting fresh cow poop on your tomatoes and you're not washing the tomatoes, I could be wrong about the parasite thing. All right, so you want to know what the organic substance is, and you also want to always make sure you wash very well these organic foods. The other thing you can do is, believe it or not, skim milk or dried milk that you reconstitute in water, 1 part to 9 parts milk, act as a pretty decent fungal resistance. So tomatoes and peppers that have real thin skins, they're prone to getting these fungal infections. And so you can prevent that by spraying some milk, believe it or not, very dilute, onto these plants. The other thing that that's going to do is give the plant some calcium, and calcium, of course, is very helpful in the production of plant material. So that's a little holistic hack for you. And I'm not a very good gardener,